What's up guys, Alvaro here, welcome to the Bilingual Stock Market channel again. In this channel we talk about the stock market and we do it in two different languages, English and Spanish. So if English is not your cup of tea, you can also watch this very same video narrated by me in Spanish. In this video I want to tell you guys the 5 most important things in my opinion about NIO's third quarter report, which was put out yesterday. And since in the last 2 weeks I already posted 2 very long and detailed videos about NIO, in this video I will get straight to the point. But first, remember guys, I am a long-term investor in NIO. This is one of my long-term positions. In this Robinhood's portfolio I own 500 shares at an average price of $13.68. I started this position back in July of this year, and since then it has been a rocket ride with a 254% return to this date. I also have 200 more shares in another portfolio, so needless to say, I am extremely happy with my investment in NIO. So let's get started guys. I am going to list, as I said before, the 5 most important things about NIO's third quarter's report. And to do it, I am going to pull up the actual report that NIO released yesterday. So, number 1, NIO beat on earnings per share. For you guys that don't know what the earnings per share are, the earnings per share is a metric that indicates how much money a company makes for every share outstanding. In this case, NIO posted a quarterly loss of 12 cents per share versus 17 cents per share, which was the analyst consensus. So this is a nice beat on earnings per share. You guys can see it over here, okay? 12 cents per share versus 17 cents per share, which was the consensus pre-earnings, okay? Number 2, the revenue of NIO for the third quarter. The revenue is over here, okay? You guys can see it. The revenue was $666 million versus $663.29 million expected, representing an increase of 146% year over year. Very nice beat on revenue as well, okay? The net loss, number three, the net loss during the third quarter, and I gotta remember you guys, and I have pointed out this plenty of times I already pointed this out in the 2 videos that I already posted about NIO. NIO is not a profitable company yet, okay? Nevertheless, NIO is on its way to becoming a profitable company. And check this, the net loss during the third quarter, I'm gonna show you guys over here. So the net loss, over here, okay? The net loss was $154 million, representing a decrease of 60% year over year. So clearly NIO is moving forward into posting a profit. Yeah, I would say that probably next year. Okay, number 4, vehicle sales guys, over here, okay? Take a look at the increase in NIO's vehicle sales during the 3 quarters that NIO has already reported this year. 3,838 vehicles delivered during the first quarter of this year, then 10,331 vehicles delivered during the second quarter of this year, and finally 12,206 vehicles delivered in the third quarter of this year. This represents an increase in vehicle sales of 146% year over year, because NIO sold 4,799 vehicles during the third quarter of 2019, okay? You guys can see it over here, versus 12,206 vehicles delivered in the last third quarter of this year. And besides, we have an increase, aside from that, we have an increase of 22.4% from the second quarter of 2020. And the most important information, guys, when it comes to any cars manufacturer, the vehicle margin. You guys can see it over here. So number 5, the vehicle margin. The vehicle margin is the monetary difference between the final cost of manufacturing a car and the price at which that car is finally sold. Okay? In this case, the vehicle margin for NIO increased from 9.7% in the second quarter of this year, up to 14.50% in the third quarter of 2020. Okay? So guys, I have said plenty of times that NIO is getting closer and closer to becoming a profitable company. And as you guys just saw, the earnings report that NIO posted yesterday reflected very remarkable financial and execution improvements all across the board for NIO. So if I was bullish on NIO before, after this earnings report, I would like to get a loan or something like that to buy more shares. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. And listen to these guys, and as NIO's slogan says, blue sky coming. And the blue sky comes at $300 a share. Mark my words. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in NIO or any other stock that I have ever mentioned in any of my videos, please do your own research work. Well guys, as I said before, I just wanted to make a quick video pointing out the most important aspects about NIO's third quarter report. So I am going to wrap it up here. Thank you very much for your attention. Please do me a favor and hit the like button for me, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.